Headaches during pregnancy are common, but did you know that some headaches can actually be dangerous for both you and your baby? In this video, we'll explore which headaches are normal and which ones are warning signs that need immediate medical attention. During pregnancy, hormone levels like estrogen and progesterone rise, which affect the nervous system and blood vessels. These changes can trigger headaches. Other common reasons include increased blood volume, putting pressure on the brain, weight gain causing strain on neck and shoulder muscles, leading to tension headaches, dehydration due to nausea and vomiting, caffeine withdrawal from reducing tea or coffee, lack of sleep and increased stress, low blood sugar from skipping meals. Migraines are also common in pregnancy, especially in women with a history of migraines. These usually involve intense headache, nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light or sound. The good news: most early pregnancy headaches are temporary and manageable. However, some headaches can be warning signs. Seek immediate medical help if you experience a sudden, intense headache that feels different from your usual. Vision changes like blurriness or flashing lights, unusual swelling of the face or hands, neck stiffness or fever, which could indicate an infection or meningitis. Worsening migraines accompanied by confusion, weakness, or difficulty speaking. This may be a neurological emergency. These symptoms can be dangerous for both mother and baby and should never be ignored. A severe cause of pregnancy headaches is preeclampsia, a condition that develops after 20 weeks and involves high blood pressure and organ damage. Common signs include severe headache, vision disturbances, swelling in hands and face, upper abdominal pain. If you notice these signs, seek medical care immediately. Untreated preeclampsia can be life-threatening for both mother and baby. If your headache is mild and shows no danger signs, try these safe home remedies: rest and relaxation, get proper sleep. Lack of rest can trigger headaches. Deep breathing, meditation, and pregnancy-safe yoga help reduce stress. A warm shower can relax tense muscles and soothe tension headaches. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Eat small, frequent meals to stabilize blood sugar. Avoid foods like processed meats, aged cheese, or MSG if they trigger your headaches. Apply a cold compress on your forehead or temples for tension relief. Use a warm compress around eyes and nose for sinus headaches. Massage, gentle neck and shoulder massage can relieve built-up tension. Try self-massage by pressing the bridge of your nose gently. Herbal remedies: some people find relief with peppermint or lavender essential oils. Always consult your doctor before using any oils or remedies. Important note: you may take paracetamol in limited amounts only after consulting your doctor. Avoid ibuprofen and aspirin, as they are not considered safe during pregnancy. Always consult your doctor before using any medication or remedy. Do not ignore severe or persistent headaches. Pay attention to your body's signals and seek timely treatment. To sum up, headaches are common during pregnancy, but if you notice any unusual or alarming symptoms, consult your doctor right away. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more reliable and safe health information.